Did you film it all?
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we saw it. It looked okay. A little shaky.
Yeah, a whole lot of shaky. It's the first time I ever had one in my hands.
Hi, Kyle. Are you camping?
I was laughing while I was trying to run it at the same time.
Kyle.
Right there.
Hi, baby.
Got a 30 seconds instructions to run it.
Yeah.
I say, go for it. Yeah, and that's about what it was.
Hi, Steven.
I bet it looks like it too, huh?
It was at first is when it was shaky, then it got okay.
Did it happen to shut off?
You dropped it once.
I didn't drop it.
It fell or...
No, I hit the button.
Oh.
Hit the button, shut it off, and started in again.
You camping, Steven? Your back still hurts? Where's Kyle? He's mowing the dirt. Good boy. Keep our campground clean. Where's Corey? We have to go find him. He's upset because we're not going to the lake. There's Brandy. Hi, Brandy girl. There he is. There's Brandy. Hi. And Sandy and Steve, your tent goes up fast, huh? Wow, it's almost blowing itself up. Rick has to take good 15, 20 minutes to put up our... Now, Sandy holds up the tent. Smile, Chris.
I don't feel good. I'm sick. And this tent's really hard to put up. I watch carefully.
Hi, Bluey.
Lean it that way.
There he is. He's not very happy. He's not a happy camper. Tell him why. Don't. You hit the camera. Tell them why you're not happy. Tell everyone. Everyone wants to know. Okay? Why? Because we're not camping at the lake, right? And he's gonna stay in here to show us. Well, we might see him out later. We might just have to come back to the truck, take some more pictures. Meanwhile, camp is being set.
They can't hear you, Mommy.
Yes, they can.
Can they hear me now?
Yep. You'll be able to hear yourself.
Carl, no. Get off.
Load that tent. Load that tent.
You helping, Steven?
Has anybody got any orange paint?
I wrapped this on
Any survey paint?
I can't remember that.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, pretty baby. It's a Lassen deer. Eating bread. Came down to visit in our campground.
Steven, get over here. Quit wasting water.
Perfect
I
shot
don't
right
care,
there.
you're wasting water.
Watch it. Watch it. Look back there. Oh, there she is.
Look there.
You put one right through the side of his head.
It's a female,
Be
Steve.
good for the
Population. We know. Get rid of the disease. It's a female. If you get the females, then we don't have any more.
Don't
Scared at all. Tell me then jump. Okay.
Hi, I see you. She's being shy.
What? I just had two guys.
One out of the other.
I see like blurry.
There she goes.
You must.
She's trying to sneak down here.
That's fine. That was bad as well. Here, give her a cup. Probably like a book. Be easy. Don't scare her. Don't run.
Slow, slow.
Throw it real easy, honey.
So that is jackpot.
One of the big old rocks ready. Get real close. Drop
Steve.
her. Cook her over this fire.
Steve, I'm getting all that on my video. Bye, little dear.
Don't want no cookie.
Put your chair over by the fire.
Good morning. Come here. Let me see it better. Come show Mommy your dirty hands and how grubby you are.
Good bag.
Bring him here, Kyle. I can't see him. Bring him here. Let's see your face. I see you. Okay, Corey. Brother's very rough with him, but it'll make him tough, huh? Huh, Corey? You want a baba?
No, he doesn't.
He loves it up here.
Not
Daddy,
even cameraing me.
no, you're too close. Where's Daddy? Tell me.
Fishing.
Did he catch anything?
No.
Has he caught anything the whole time we've been here?
Yeah.
He did? What did he catch?
6.
He caught 6 fish? He didn't show me. He did not.
Yeah, he's there.
He has not.
There's 2 swans.
Ooh, nice warm fire. It's cold out here.
It's hot out here, Mommy. What do you mean cold?
Huh?
What did you say?
I should skip it.
He's cooking bacon.
I'm getting on film here. I'm very photogenic.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Corey. You having fun?
Yeah. August what?
Laser goes with the main production.
What are you doing, Kyle? Playing with cigarettes. There's a stream.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
What?
It's August 17, 19.
Do you like laser? He's gonna make you clean. You're dirty.
Ah!
King of boys. Yeah.
Kyle, you want your go box? Here. Want your go box? No?
What are you going to see? Kyle's coming in, Sam. He's peeking.